everybody. Welcome to Unimaginable TV. In today's fast-paced world, connectivity is crucial, and when it comes to bridging cities, the Vande Metro is redefining how we travel. A new generation of rail service, the Vande Metro, is designed to offer rapid, efficient and comfortable travel across India. Currently, the Vande Metro operates on the Ahmedabad to Bhuj route in Gujarat, covering a distance of approximately 300 kilometers. This route is one of the first to benefit from this high-tech rail service designed to cater to a growing demand for fast and reliable regional connectivity. Operating on busy corridors between key urban centers, the Vande Metro is built for short to medium distances, offering an ideal solution for travelers between major cities. Ahmedabad and Bhuj, both important regional hubs in Gujarat, are now seamlessly connected through this modern rail service. With an average speed of around 100 to 130 km per hour, the Vande Metro ensures a fast and smoother travel experience compared to conventional trains. This speed enables you to complete your journey in much less time, whether you are heading to work, a business meeting, or visiting family. The train's design focuses on passenger comfort with spacious, ergonomically designed seats, air conditioning, Wi-Fi connectivity, and charging stations available throughout the journey. Whether you are traveling for a short trip or a longer commute, you will find yourself in a modern high-tech environment. Designed for efficiency, the Vande Metros ensures punctuality with streamlined schedules that allow you to plan your trips with confidence. It makes your commute less stressful and more predictable, ensuring on-time arrivals every day. The Ahmedabad to Bhuj route, which is part of the larger effort to connect regional cities, is only the beginning. The Vande Metro is expected to expand its reach to other high-demand corridors, improving accessibility across the region. This route, with its relatively short travel time, caters to thousands of passengers daily. Safety is paramount, and the Vande Metro comes equipped with the latest safety features, including advanced signaling systems, surveillance cameras, and automated controls. This ensures a safe and secure environment for passengers throughout the journey. With its modern, sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the Vande Metro offers a quieter, more energy-efficient alternative to road travel, making it a better choice for eco-conscious commuters. The train's rapid acceleration and smooth operation make the entire travel experience not just fast, but enjoyable. Arriving at your destination is just as smooth. The Vande Metro ensures easy access to stations, quick boarding, and efficient disembarking. Whether you are in Ahmedabad or Bhuj, you will find that the train connects you to the city center and other local transport networks effortlessly. Traveling between Ahmedabad and Bhuj on the Vande Metro isn't just about getting to your destination quickly, it's about enjoying the journey itself. With scenic views and modern amenities, the train transforms your travel time into an experience. As India continues to modernize its rail network, the Vande Metro is leading the way with a focus on speed, convenience and sustainability, offering fast, reliable and comfortable journeys. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a way to connect people and cities like never before. Experience the future of travel today with the Vande Metro, where speed meets comfort and journeys become memories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Unimaginable TV.